welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little rearranging of my room. Now that I am married, which we are going to show that this Saturday of the reception and everything, so you get to see all that. Today, Sunday, is going to be us rearranging at least the beginning of it. So this is going to pretty much be a two-part. It's pretty much rearranging my room and all that, and as soon as I get my vanity and all my other drawers and everything, we'll do the second part, and then we're going to put it all together and you guys will see one amazing before and after. So let's go ahead and start it. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it to my son because he's actually helping me with all this. So, son, you want to take it away?
Hello YouTube, it's your boy Red King. I don't show my face. And today we're going to rearrange the room, like my mom said. So, this is a preview of what it looks like, and it's going to be different. So we're going to put it to a time lapse of this transformation, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here we go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So welcome back. This is actually the finish of the gamer room set. So you'll see what it looked like now. As I said before in the beginning of this, this is pretty much how it's going to look for now until I get my two Alex Knives drawers and some of the stuff. So let's go ahead and show you the end result of my room, and then I will show you the second part when we get everything situated and put up and my other stuff that is coming this month and all that, and then you'll see the finale of my room and all that. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and show you, and this is what it look like. So right here we moved, my bed was around this area. This is all my husband's stuff, so this will be moved. And we have my drawer, kind of like in the middle, my little nightstand next to it, and this is where we move the bed. Now once I get my other stuff, I will have probably my vanity right here, and my husband's dresser right here, and all this. So this is pretty much how it looks for now, until we finally get to have everything ordered and all that. So once everything ordered and my son put together and we move everything in here, then you guys will see my new room and how everything looks. So don't mind the mess. It's going to get cleaned up. It's going to get moved and all that. But this is how it looks so far. So you see I did rearrange some stuff. I just moved my Alex 9 drawer over. I moved the bed on this side. We actually put a little space here for my husband to walk through. That way he could, you know, get in bed. And we just moved, pretty much switched everything around. We came my bed and all that. So yeah, so this is where my husband's dresser going to be. My vanity, my Alex 9 drawer is kind of like half size of this. So this is a full Alex 9 drawer, and the other one kind of like half of it. So I got two of those. So the first one going to be here, And the second one is going to be here. I'm going to get rid of this right here and have my son throw away since it's all messed up and broken, all that. This is what the second one going to be. And then this right here, this little drawer here, this is actually going to be in my closet. So I'm going to put it like right next to this when my sweatshirts are. And put these two storage things on top of my new one. So I'm thinking about actually putting the second one here. So we'll put one here, and we'll put the other one here, and put these on top of there. Because I'm going to have most of the stuff on top of my vanity, but this is going to stay the same. This right here, my little drawer, that guy is going to be on top of my vanity. So this is why I'm going to put it all, because vanity is where I'm going to get dressed, where I'm going to get ready, where I'm going to film and all that. I'm also got my tax money, so I will be getting a new camera, a new ring light, and a new microphone stand. So once that get ordered, you guys will see me filming a new one. That will be coming up. So yeah, and then I got some stuff that I did buy, which will be in a haul of this month. So I have a whole new haul to show you with some makeup that is kind of new and all that. But this video, so yeah. So this is the finale of it so far. So yeah, once I get my other stuff, you guys will see a whole new room and a whole new organization. I know it look messy, so sorry. It's just beginning of my marriage life, and this is actually my first week of being married when I am filming this. So I just want to come back and show you guys what it looked like so far before I get my Alec 9 drawers and the rest of my stuff that I ordered. I did order a mirror too. That's going to be top of my vanity. So I did order quite a few things to get this room rearranged now that my son is out and he's in with his brother. Also, you guys check out my wedding reception. That will be paying up first. This will be the next thing put in for the month of April. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I will link it up below in the card so you guys could see, that just in case anyone missed it. But I'm going to go ahead and let you go, and then we will get to the second part as soon as possible, and then I will upload this, also my new computer, because I have a new computer that my son's going to teach you how to upload. So that's going to be fun. So yeah, I'll see you in my second part of this video, and we will see the finale of it. Till then, bye.
Hello YouTube, it's your boy Red King. Today we're gonna start putting 5 items together. So I'm gonna time lapse all of this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, you're the light inside of me every night. We're chasing dreams, ain't got time to make 'em see what we believe. You and me, yeah.
lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em. Done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around and now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now. I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down. A bus down. I'm on my way up, going up now. Up now. And I ain't never gonna touch down. Touchdown. Mind's on, I can't turn it off. Late nights and I'm turning up. Hate life, then I learn to love. Down and out, now I'm way above. I always knew I had it, now I'm living out my dreams. Treat that money like an addict, it's a habit. I'm a fiend, feeling that rush. Rocket ready to launch. Hands up, ready and gone. Been waiting too long. Trust on plenty, that's wrong. Old me's dead and that's gone. Thank God I'm headstrong. I don't wanna wake up with a doubt that I show 'em everything I'm about. I ain't never going out. I ain't never getting for no clout. Now I'm sitting pretty on the cloud. I can finally say I'm up now. I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down. A bus down. I'm on my way up, going up now. Up now. And I ain't never gonna touch down. Touchdown. I'm on my way up, going up now. Up now, and I ain't never gonna touch down. Touchdown, yeah.
Those hazard lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, this high.
I enjoy this, so enjoying this time.
that you built out of lies and deception, raising your weapon. Every word you speak dripping with venom. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the glow before
to pause the time lapse here. And we're going to show you how the doors look like. So this is how they look like. So next part is going to be, next time lapse is going to be putting them in the dresser themselves. So that's going to be recorded in the room. So catch you guys there and like. Alright YouTube, so the dresser is in the room. So now I'm going to start putting the drawers in the dresser. So enjoy this part of the time lapse. Here we go.
I'll never stop, I'll never stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, I'll never stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop.
YouTube, so that is done. So very nice, simple, easy. So this is another mini Alex Knight drawer that I need to build, so I'm not going to time lapse that because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want me to see me building the same thing 2 times. So that's going to be done off camera, but putting it in place is going to be done on camera. So now we're going to go back to the living room to do the nightstand. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the living room. To where we're now going to build the nightstand. Here we go, enjoy this time lapse.
There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other, 2 hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends. Played me like a song stuck in your head, but you still get my blood rushing. Dance with me, baby, you take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. I know you see me cross the room, let's skip to the end. I wanna be what keeps you sleepless past 3 a.m. I know that we're toxic, but I like the thrill. I'd be 6 feet under if looks could kill. Let's go back to live it all again and get too close as fast as we can. Dance with me, baby, you take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. I know this gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, you take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe.
Well, we're talking about that last night.
Alrighty, YouTube. So
Do that. And I go very carefully.
I got a jump pad selected up top.
alright, YouTube. So those are the drawers done. So next time lapse, probably.
Oh, you got.
Don't know.
And
It's gonna be putting this in the room and put it all together. So, catch you guys later in like 3 seconds for you guys. Alrighty, YouTube, so we're back in the room waiting to put in the 2 drawers for my mom's nightstand. So, let's go ahead and start putting the first one in. Oh, come on. There we go. And voila. Looks so awesome. So, yes. There is one more thing left to be added to the room, and it's a small Alice 9 drawer that I built earlier. So I'm not going to time lapse that again. Alright, so the finale of the room is going to be on a new camera that True Angel has gotten and purchased, and it's going to be here Saturday, so hope you guys look forward to that. So this is what the room looks like so far, but this is not the final look. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the final look while I build the last mini Alice 9 drawer off camera, because I'm pretty sure you guys do not want to see that again. So catch you guys here in like 3 seconds for you guys.
So hello, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the part where I forgot to record and all that. So I'm going to show you a little bit of my Alex 9 drawers and everything, and a little bit what's in each of them and all that. So first we have my 2 wing legs, so this one and this one that I bought. Also, this is my first Alex 9 drawer that we are doing. So this one is pretty much all of my wipes and everything that I keep, my shadow pads. The second drawer is all my mask. The third drawer is all stuff that I need to test out. This one is going to be all my new makeup, and this is all where my camera is and everything. And then of course we start my Alex 9 drawer here. So the first one is still the same. Foundation, primers, concealers. Second drawer, all face powders. Third drawer, all setting sprays. Next drawer, this is pretty much where I change. I have blush and highlights just around in this drawer. Bronzes in the next. The face palettes in this one. And literally 2 drawers of all of my palettes. So, second drawer of it. And then, of course, this is my vanity that I got. So on top I have my most important stuff, and then my mirror, which I got, everything that I use every single day, my everyday drawer. And in this drawer we have my project pans, stuff that I'm using, my nighttime, daytime skincare. The middle one is my lotions and mask. Then we have my hair pieces here, and a few more masks and all that. So this is how I got this part set up and everything. So go ahead and I will show you my other one. So this is my side dresser. And again, nighttime skincare routine. This one just has my important stuff that I use. Down there it has like my notebooks and everything. And this is my husband's dresser. And then this is my second Alex 9 drawer. The first one has my backup, so everything that I got duplicates of will be in there. Then we have my backup of sponges, wipes, and everything. This is when my like air freshener and razors and halo and all that. And then we have my bath bombs, some extra organizers, and down below is extra skincare, mask, and everything. So everything I got extra of is before it comes to skincare and all that is down here, along with some more of these. And I got everything, so this is pretty much how the room looks. So yeah, this is definitely the finale of it, and it took me a long time to get this done and to get all worked out. But I'm going to let you go. And I just want to do the short film and just to show you everything. So yeah, hope you guys like it, and I hope you enjoy it. I do have some hauls coming up. So I'll be having my spring haul coming up. Then I have a collective haul with Sephora, Ulta, Walmart. This is what pretty much what's down there. So that's everything I bought. And I'm going to do a big collective haul next weekend and my next film after this. And I know I haven't been filming lately, but I did take a week off after I got married to just enjoy honeymoon, enjoy being married, getting used to all that, because I love it. So yeah, so I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.
Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you.